Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. How are you all? In this video we will learn about alphabets. So let's start and repeat after me. A for apple. B for bat. C for car. D for duck. E for egg. F for frog. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice. J for jug. K for key. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. O for onion. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for wool. X for Xerox machine. Y for yoga. Z for zebra. So friends, did you enjoy our video? So please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.